Good morning, my friends. How are you? It's early. I don't want to speak very loud. But today, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the salt, and I want to do a demonstration. It's going to be over the next few days so I could show you how to get rid of your weeds without using any kind of chemical solution. A lot of you had great ideas the last time I put the video out, and you said you could use vinegar, you could use bleach, anything in between the cracks where grass grows or weeds grow. So we're going to do the salt. And I have plenty of it here. Let's go over. Let's start pouring salt. And then I'll record a little something every day to see how long it takes for the weeds to die. All right, let's go. Okay, I was quite liberal with the salt. I used 4 of these. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then over the next few days, because it's going to be sunny, we'll come back and we'll see whether or not, it works and it burns it right down. Yeah, because that's what I'm looking for. I don't want to keep weed whacking in between each thing. Salt. Easy, inexpensive, 25 cents. Remember when it used to be a dime? Don't let me go down that rabbit hole. As you can see, I did it quite liberally. Put the salt on heavy. But over the next few days, I'll keep coming out and taking a short video, see how it turns out, see if a lot of this has died off. Because this can be a major project. It can turn into a major project, honestly. So, because every so often when you're mowing your grass, you have to edge between all of that. So you could do it on your curbs, you can do it on your sidewalk. I just do it over there because really I don't get too much between the cracks on the sidewalk. But you could use your old trusty salt. That sun is bright. See, I have really blue eyes, just so you know. And when that sun hits, whew, my goodness, kills my eyeballs. It really does. Anyway, we'll catch up now. We'll follow this over the next few days. We will. And we'll see if it kills it off the way it should. Okay, see you in the next one. It's day 2. Everything looks green and vibrant. But we're going to see. Today's a sunny day. Oh, it's lovely out. It really is. Oh, there's a cool breeze. Fabulous. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Just salt, and you can see how it's just burning all the weeds and the grass in between the pieces of the block. It's day 4, and I'm sure it's going to rain over the next couple of days, but that's fine because this stuff's dead. And here is day 5. So I want you to see that this is almost all dead at this point. Isn't that great? And as you can see, on day 6, it's burnt. All of it's gone. Bye-bye. So it goes to show you, you only need a little time and a lot of sunny days. So I had 5 sunny days that I was able to put the salt down, and that was starting in the month of May, and now we're in June. But if it's hot, oh my God, it'll even work faster. So if it's a hot day, or you're going to have a couple of hot days, at least 3 days where the sun will be shining, if you pour that salt in between the cracks, in between the curb, wherever you have, weeds coming through, it'll work for you. And it's so inexpensive. What did that cost me? $1? That's what it cost me, $1. So I don't care what Roundup, whatever else you buy, that's only $1. And if I have to do it again over the summer, hell, I'll pay the other $1. But I know it was a quick video, but I did do it over the course of 5 days so you guys could see it for yourself. Now I'm heading out. I have to go babysit my daughter's dog and 3 cats. So I'm heading over there. I might even do another video. And if you see me coming up with this same outfit on, you'll say, oh yeah, she was heading out the door. I'm heading out the door as soon as I'm done wrapping this up. So thank you so much for coming. If you liked what you just seen, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'm not any kind of gardening channel or anything like that. I just hate to pull the weeds. I hate to do all of that stuff. You know, you can tell by this porcelain skin. Very, very rare am I just sitting in the sun going, yeah, let me, no, I can't. I don't want to. Anyways, I will see you all so soon. Leave me comments. Have you ever tried this before? Would you consider trying it? And I will see you all again. Remember to be kind to each other because we're living in a world of crazy, and we are. Lord, 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 are we living in a world of crazy. Anyway, my friends, you take it easy. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Mwah.